Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have another potentially quick project. So this is a 2005 Volvo XC70 cross country. This car was pretty much given to me by a very good friend of mine, and what appears to be wrong is this car has been sitting, and a squirrel or some animal got into the engine bay and created a nest and chewed on some wiring. So let me show you the damage. The wires that are chewed are right here, and it's apparent to me that wires were going over here, wires were going over here, and over to this plug. This plug was is even chewed a little. So there's another wiring harness that goes over here, which is also chewed, and there's potentially another wiring would go into throttle body, unless it feeds from somewhere else. So let's clean it up real quick, and let's see what we can do about this wiring. Okay guys, so this is actually next day. I started this project very late, kind of late yesterday, and ran out of daylight pretty quickly. So here's what I managed to do yesterday. Let me show you. So I pretty much finished all the wiring as far as soldering. This harness, this bigger harness is soldered. This little harness. I also noticed this vacuum tubing was degraded. A squirrel didn't chew on it, but it degraded and started leaking. So I pretty much replaced all these little vacuum tubes, and also this sensor wiring, got that fixed as well. And now we're just gonna have to button everything up with this loom, a little bit of electrical tape, and yeah, let's get to it. I'm not big European car fan, and one of the reasons why is because, I don't know, for some reason when I work on European car, their plastics are so brittle, and I'm not sure if it's due to plastics are not as good quality as, let's say, Japan cars, or it's just these cars produce more heat than Japan cars. I'm not sure. I'm not sure exactly what's up with these European cars, but it's like, and I'm talking about the older cars, like every time I work on them, which I don't do luckily too often, but if I do, I have to deal with things like this, like everything is so brittle as far as like plastic wise. Hopefully they fix this problem on the newer models. Oh my goodness. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Everything is so brittle. I'm not sure exactly what this is. Some kind of valve or some kind of sensor. And it is falling apart. Well, we'll put some tape on it. just temporarily. I really don't want to get into repairs too deep on this car, because with an older cars, deeper you go, more problems you create. All right. Okay, so we are pretty much done here. Hopefully we are done. So let's just, well, I'm not even gonna put this on. Okay, so we got everything buttoned up. Let's see if it's gonna crank. The battery actually was completely dead yesterday, and I had a charger, a very small charger on it overnight, so it's been charging probably for about 15 hours or so. So let's see if it's got any juice. Okay, I don't see interior lights on. That's a bad sign. Okay, let's see. Oh, all right. We have some kind of sound. All right. I don't know if you guys can see. Here we go. Yeah, there's not enough juice in the battery. Let me put a jumper box on it. So here we go. There you go. Now we're talking. Let's see if it's gonna drive. Okay, it went into the gear. So here we go. It's actually running okay for a car that's been sitting for a long time. Well, at least I assume it's been sitting for a long time. I don't hear the brakes being too rusty, but yeah, it runs okay. ABS light went off. Yeah, it runs. I'm basically planning to use this car as a backup car. It's probably not gonna be everyday driver. It's just gonna be a backup car. So here we go. This is what happens when you forget that you have your battery on a charger. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna leave it running for a little bit. Hopefully it will charge the battery. If not, I'm gonna have to get a different battery. I'm kind of been suspecting my little charger not doing that good of a job lately, because I had some other battery that I was trying to charge with it, and it wouldn't charge. So I'm not sure if it's the charger problem or a battery. We'll find out. So this is gonna be it for this video. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification button, and I'll see you in the next one.